Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to add our Linktree URL in our Instagram profile. Now let us begin. Well, denote that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. It's quite easy. But now I'm just gonna copy my Linktree URL. From here, you can simply click on this button right here, that's copy, click on it, and then your Linktree URL will be copied to the clipboard. And once you've done that, what you have to do is go to Instagram. Well, right here, this is my profile. Denote that you can do the same using your mobile application as well. But now, simply go to your profile, that's on the bottom left. Now what you guys have to do is simply edit your profile. Click on the edit profile button here. And as you guys can see, there are multiple options. And what you guys have to do is simply focus on this website. Just below it, there is a text box like this. Simply input your Linktree URL from right here. And once you've done that, just hit on submit. Do note that you cannot do this using your PC. You guys need to do it using your mobile device. That is it guys, that's the gist of it. That's how we add your Linktree URL in your Instagram profile. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.